Today we're going to replace the flywheel on a McCulloch Mac 338 chainsaw. Firstly, remove the top cover using a flat screwdriver and remove the 3 screws. You can now remove the spark plug using a torx. Then remove the 4 screws that attach the recoil to the chainsaw. Place a piston stop into the cylinder. Then remove the nut and washer from the flywheel using a 30mm socket. Then place a flywheel puller onto the flywheel and tap to shock the flywheel. Remove the flywheel. Now place the new flywheel into position, making sure it slots in correctly. Place the washer and the nut back and secure with a 30mm socket. Remove the piston stop. Replace the spark plug and the boot. Now secure the starter housing. Then attach the top cover, fixing with the screws. That's how you replace the flywheel on a McCulloch Mac 338 chainsaw. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.